Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see how the Chrome extension Cherry for LLM can be used to chat with your local LLMs, which are run via Ollama. So suppose I selected a model um, which is running on your machine. You can easily see what are the models Ollama is going to support in your local machine. If you give the command Ollama ls, you will see these models. These models, you will see them available to you in this Chrome extension. So I've selected in this particular model PHI3. You can select anything you want. Let's select one for a change to Tiny Llama. And I also given some sample questions where you can ask, say, provide recipe for this one. So the question is here, the prompt is here. Let's see. We can run this ask LLM, which is selected here. You can see that we are working with Tiny Llama latest. So this question will be sent to your local. Then it has already answered it. Then you can copy this one to your clipboard by this button. So anyway, you can um, select any model which is running locally on your machine. And in order to support RAG, I have provided a server code, and let me show that how that one works. Assuming I want to ask this document, this is the help about chatting for LLMs. I want to ask some questions which should be answered from this document. So the RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. And the server what I provided, it's a called Q&A server. This is a server. It runs on port 8100, and you can clearly see, it is getting requests like, what are the, this is the one I ran earlier, what are the main features of Chatty for LLM. If I ask this question, it will read this prompt, and you create a vector database, and using the local LLM you have selected, it will get the answer created, right? Let's go back to extension. So here we can ask what is Chatty for LLMs. So this document is already there. It should be in the active tab. It's the document you want to query. I have explained here. And say, assuming that the document what you want to run RAG on is already in the active tab, then you have selected a model. In this case, I selected a PHI3. And if I click on that, so it will tell you the message that it's working with this model on this particular document, right? So what it is going to do is, you can clearly see here. So it is asking, it's using LangChain internally, and the the URI is RLM rack, that prompt it has got. Then now it's trying to answer the question, what is Chatty for LLM? Our own extension we are asking. Obviously this will not be okay, it already answered it. So this clearly shows that it's initiate a conversation with your selected LLM and will be used as displayed in the active tab. Pretty much it this is what I wanted. So it also explained more details. Let us see in the UI how it came. So it's explained it. So obviously no LLM will know about Chatty for LLMs because it's a brand new extension. But using RAG and after creating the vector database of this embedding for this particular document, which our extension has created, then using the backend code which I just showed, which is already open sourced, all the details are in this page. And when I click on drag on active tab, you got the answer. So the potential for this extension is very large. So you can make use of asking questions to LLM, which are LLMs which are running locally on your machine, as well as you can run drag on the active tab. Suppose you have a document, and let's see, I will make one more. It's about myself. I just want to make sure that, okay, this is a way you bring back and forth, right? It also remembers the last question you asked. So in this case, I will change it. Who is the moment? If I ask, it will read this document and give the answer here. Let's see how it takes. So now it is running this model for the rag on this particular active tab page. And you can also watch that in your backend server. So it has got, the chain is running for this model and getting answer for this question. So it's already finished, right? So the answer has come, and you can go here and say this has completed exactly. Um, all this entire information is based on what is in this active tab document. Hope this helps. If you add more document to your Ollama, I mean more LLMs to your Ollama, this will be listed here. So you can use any LLM, but it has to be running on your local machine. Hope this explains, and I will put the link where you can install it. I'll give you information about how to install this Chrome extension, how to do all the the steps I just explained. Pretty much, it is part of the Chrome, the extension itself. If we go here, there is a help, and if we click on the help, you will get all this document. I have explained how to set up Ollama site on your local machine, and also how you can run RAG, and where is the RAG server, which is I open sourced, which you can make use of. Thank you, everyone. Hope this is useful to you.